Hi, Britt Davenport here from hacklesandhurl.com, coming to you today for another Tuesday tips and tricks. Today we are going to go over bobbin threaders. So we're all used to, most likely, these old metal bobbin threaders, which, they come in various shapes, sizes, colors, whatnot. But nowadays, a lot of our bobbins have a ceramic tube or a ceramic insert. And these metal bobbin threaders will damage that ceramic insert, which then leads to your thread cutting when you're tying your flies, which is the most frustrating thing ever. So we want to avoid that as much as possible. We do it on our own enough. We don't need our bobbin helping us to do it. So rather than using these old school style threaders, you can go to your local Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere like that, and go to the dental section and get these little dental floss threaders. You get a whole package of them for just a few dollars, and they work perfectly for threading bobbins. So I'm just gonna grab one of these out here. So I've just got one little package. Again, you get a billion of them, it seems like, for just a few dollars. And now to thread your bobbin, it's not much different. Go ahead and bring your thread through it, pull it out, and there you have it. Same thing on one that has just a ceramic insert. And for this, I just have some uni stretch on, so it's pretty big. It's just what I had handy, but it would work the same for thread. So we'll go ahead, do that, and just push that through, and then pull it out. And so they're cheap, they're easy to work with, and they will not damage your ceramic tube or your ceramic insert on your bobbin. Again, thank you for joining us for our Tuesday tips and tricks. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to receive notifications each time we post new content. Thank you.